Glitter grouts are trending, and for good reason. They add an extra sparkle that really sets off a variety of tiles. In this video, I will show you 3 popular brands of glitter grouts: Mapei Flex Color 3D, Starlight Crystal, and Bostik Dimensions. The grout color will be listed in the corner of the photos. All of these are suitable to grout porcelain, ceramic, glass, and stone tiles such as marble. They can be used inside or out in residential or commercial applications as well as in the shower. Crystal EVO can also be used in a pool, so dazzling underwater. If you have been in the market for grout, then you may have noticed this stuff ain't cheap. Why is that? The biggest reason is because of what they're made from. Your typical grout is cementatious, meaning it's made from roughly the same stuff as cement but with pretty pigments to give a variety of color. Whereas the glitter grouts are made from resins and urethanes. Their base is translucent and the color is derived from the added glitter dust or glass bits. It is also dense, with these bits creating a solid color effect, even if the grout line is shallow. Unlike the trend of dumping glitter into standard grout, these sparkles won't affect the integrity of your grout. The next huge advantage is when you never have to seal them. You live in your home with older tile, you know that standard grout will, without a doubt, darken over time. It becomes stained and may even crack and fall out. Not with this grout. They are crack resistant. For those of you interested in tiling like a kitchen backsplash or maybe the inside of an RV, I would definitely recommend using this in combination with the Muscle Bond paper. It's a double-sided sticky paper that's perfect for putting up smaller tiles on walls that receive little contact with water. This combination can also flex, making it suitable for moving stuff like an RV. As you can see, these come in a huge variety of colors, so surely you can find one suitable for your next project. They look the best with glass tile, but complement many looks and materials. Places I recommend using these to my clients is usually their kitchen backsplash, a shower niche, accent panel, or pool accents such as a decorative waterline tile. Well, I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. I plan to make more design and DIY videos in the near future. Please subscribe and help me grow my channel so I can bring you more content like this.